Here again with John Blyler, Editor-in-Chief, Chip Design Magazine, and a contributor with your blog, IP Insider on ChipEstimate.com. Day 2 here at DAC. Exciting things happening. We just finished a presentation of the DAC Pavilion, and where did we land up here? At GLOBALFOUNDRIES. And GLOBALFOUNDRIES is creating exceptional solutions and exceptional collaboration, true collaboration with all their providers and partners. So exciting stuff here, because what they have and are promoting here is 32 and 28 high-K metal gate technology. And I think we should go in and take a look at what they have.
Sounds good.
Okay. So they have their ecosystem that they talk about. They have all their partners from Cadence and Infiniism, ChipEstimate.com, Lorenz, Aragio, AMD.
Everyone you could imagine.
Yeah, they're all here. But this is a real cool thing. And
I
know you showed this to me earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we were talking about the true collaboration with GLOBALFOUNDRIES, and they're focusing on the 32 and 28 high-K metal gate technology. This is cool. What is this, John?
This is a laser interferometer.
That's easy for you to say.
Yes, now it is. Wait till later.
Yes, the cocktail event. I want you to repeat that.
Okay.
And guess who we have? Just walked into the booth, Mr. Bob Durstenfeld, corporate marketing with.
See you again, Bob. Sean, good
yeah,
to see you both.
I know.
Great to be here.
So we're talking about the overall message that GLOBALFOUNDRIES is putting out there at DAC this year. And maybe you will just want to talk a little bit more about that.
Sure, so there's a few facets to it. One is open collaboration. We're certainly here with a lot of our global solutions partners talking about the solutions that they have that are GLOBALFOUNDRIES customer facing. And then we've got a lot of our own demos. We've got our own demo suite this year where we're talking about the intricacies of designing at leading edge technologies, but also some of the older technologies. We have some special presentations from ARM, Cadence, Synopsys, and from Katina, an RF CMOS implementation company. So there's a lot to hear and see and do in the GLOBALFOUNDRIES booth at DAC this year.
Yeah, well, we were walking around. We're doing this every day, Bob. I just want to let you know, and we'll probably stop by again. But to show this community a little bit more about the cool and interesting things that are happening at DAC this year. That's why we stopped by your house here, and so I appreciate you giving us a little bit of your time.
And how about that little tidbit of that little information bit? You were telling me that if you have 250,000 28.
So if you so we've shipped today more than 250,000 300 millimeter wafers of 3228 high-K metal gate. And if you took those wafers and put them edge to edge from DAC in San Francisco, they would reach all the way to our head offices in Milpitas, California, 47 miles.
Impressive. 47 miles. And those are thin wafers too.
Very.
You wouldn't want to walk on them.
Very
thin. But anyway, thank you so much for your time, Bob.
Sure, my pleasure.
All
we'll
right.
see you again tomorrow.
Good seeing you, Bob.
Well, we are in Verification Alley, as you said, and with all this kind of exciting technology, verification sometimes is kind of perceived as boring, but it actually can be sexy.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
I've heard that too.
Yeah. So we stopped off here. I saw this. You showed this to me earlier, but I want you to explain a little bit what's going on.
This is pretty cool. Okay, just briefly. So here's the sexy part. This simulator is running, is doing the encoding and decoding, excuse me, backwards I guess, frame by frame for this very high definition video. And it's using the Gen 2 of the PCI Express bus. But I thought it was just pretty cool. So instead of crunching out RTL, transistor level logic and code, what we're doing is looking at frames of a very high definition video.
Anyway, John, thanks so much. This is just a small snapshot of a day 2 here at DAC. Some of the exciting things that are on the floor and being presented today. So we're gonna do this again tomorrow, and I appreciate your time. And we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.